Okay. All right, we're going to take a look at Prelude CC. This is a really great new program that Adobe created for the task of ingesting video. Now, a lot of times it's really difficult for you to sort through files, and if you're on a Mac, especially with Mavericks, which I am, and if you record in really high quality video file from your HD or SLT, SLR HD or video recorder, one of the file formats out there is AVC HD, and it's kind of annoying the way that QuickTime displays it. All your files are in like this one thing, and you have to export them all. Looks like this. I guess I'll kind of show you. And this is what you get. You get one file, even if you have like a ton of videos, and they all come up in this one window, and then you have to open each one, and then you have to export those out. So what I want to do is I want to create a new project, and I'm going to just save this, make sure save it in my Dropbox 4080. Unit 2 projects. I made a folder called PROJs, and this is for Prelude projects, and I'm going to call it ingest 01, so I know what it is. All right, double click over here in this window. It's pretty straightforward the way this program works. Then I'm going to find my device over here, my storage device, no name, and I know that my video, all that I want is in private. I want to import all of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check them all, and I'm going to click transfer clips to a destination, and I'm going to browse for a location. I want everything that I'm doing to be in one folder that I'm working on. So I'm going to make another folder and call this footage, and it's in that same Unit 2 folder that the Premiere Pro projects is. Choose the footage folder. You can, and here's a cool thing, you can transcode your audio into something that might be uncompressed or compressed or whatever. What you really want a lot of times, stereo AC, well, I'm just gonna import it as is, but you could import it H.264. Really what I would like to have is that ProRes. ProRes would be a great format to transcode this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly install the ProRes file into my computer, and when we come back it should be in there. Alright, so I'm gonna really quickly show you how to install Apple ProRes codecs on your Mac without having to buy Final Cut Pro, because if you try and install it, like I downloaded it from the web, from QuickTime's, or excuse me, from Apple's website. Okay, you can't just go ahead and install it unless you have a certified copy of Final Cut Pro. Doesn't mean that it's not legit. You can still install it, but it just takes a little bit of going, or a little bit of doing. The way that I learned this, and I cannot claim ownership, is YouTube and this guy MindPower009, how to install ProRes codecs free for Mac and Adobe Media Encoder. This guy's really smart. It's really awesome. He has links in the About file straight to the downloads for the ProRes and straight to this other app. So just check him out. I'll kind of show you. Huge nod to him, credits to him, and I'll show you how, you know, really quick version. So double click the, I've downloaded the Pro Apps codec here. I'm going to unload this. It's called the package unpackager. Is right here. It's free. Okay, and so you need this. And what we'll do is we'll just let's see, where's the unpackage? Here we are. I'm gonna I keep clicking on the wrong thing. I'm going to make sure I just drag this over here. All right, Unpackager, I'm just going to drag this on top of Unpackager here and let it do its thing, and I'll go ahead and extract the codecs, the ProApps codecs. Done. Okay, ProApps here, here's a library, and what we want is QuickTime. We need to get all these in our QuickTime library folder. Now, it might be a little bit hard for you to get into the QuickTime library because in later versions of OS X, what's happened is they've hidden the library. But just open up your terminal. It'd be pretty easy to do. I have some notes here for you. So what you will do is you'll go to CD space / library, just like I spelled, case sensitive, QuickTime. What we're doing is we're navigating to that folder, and then we'll type in open period, and it opens up the QuickTime folder here, and we can now right click, copy these, and then we can paste them in here, and you'll get a dialog box. Do you really want to do this because it's in the library? And we'll say yes. Keep both. Alright, and so now once that's done, you can eject this. Alright, you're good. And then you can, of course,